Okay, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here on time. Okay, we have a lot to do today, so let's get started. Has everyone got copy of our agenda?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Where this meeting will be conducted. First, I will address the item that we will discuss and ask for explanation from who's are responsible to give us explanation. And then I will ask other department that you guys think about the issue, and perhaps you can come with your own idea and solution, and we vote for one conclusive action that we will take on. If any of you does not problem with that, we can use that method and going through one by one issue just like that. Any one of you agree with that?
Yes, we agree.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so can I draw your attention to item number one, which is unfortunately one of the issue that arise lately in our company. It is being stated that we have an integrity issues that is going right now in our company. As head of HR department, would you explain to us something, Afiq?
Okay, first of all, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Me as a HR head of department, from our department, the issue is about the dishonesty employees. So lately there are many things such as the inventory are going missing, such as the office supplies, shortage of the money, especially when it comes to the monthly income. At the same time, me also as a HR HOD realized that our workers shows the signs of the wear disposable item as mentioned above went. As example, we realized that some of our disposal item such as the car spoiler, rims and also the speakers are on our workers' car lately. And next, our employee also tends to lie about the working hour and claims larger amount of money than normal expenses for the maintenance cost. So from the HR department, just that's all. Thank you.
Alright, good. So we got some lab rat here in our company. That is quite troublesome. Syazwan, what is your opinion about this dishonest type of person in our workforce? And what kind of solution that you think is suitable for this situation?
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, for the first point that Afiq mentioned is about missing inventory and other thing. The solution that I can suggest, we can use the technology that we have today, such as CCTV. So we can put CCTV in every corner in our office, so we can detect the criminals by using CCTV. Okay, for the second point, is about like in working hours. As we know, our company still use the traditional punch card attendance system, so we can upgrade our attendance system by using biometric system such as fingerprint or photo of the face, so the system will decrease in related to time working. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Very good. Will all of you agree with Shazwan's solution to equip our company with CCTVs and biometric attendance system?
Yes, we agree about that solution.
Okay, I will take that as our decision to solve this issue. Next, we move on to the item number two, which is about sales. Senaqib, would you want to brief us about your department's issues?
Yes, so the item number two is about the inconsistent sales. We admit that when the school holiday or public holidays, we have customers using our services every day, and our sales and profit spike through the months. But in every other month, we cannot even make sales for the rental car services. And the worst case is we have 1 month that there's no customer at all using our services, and that's explain why we have inconsistent sales. So we have to solve this issue as our expenses is in the same amount monthly, but the sales is inconsistent. So we have to address this issue and solve this as soon as quick as we can.
Right, from your explanation just now, our sales are dropped, especially during non-public school holiday. Irfan, since your department have close relationship with customers, I would like to see what are your thoughts about this particular problem.
Well, in my opinion, the best solution is to optimize the use of social media platform. As we know, people nowadays prefer to find any information on the social media. So we have to use this opportunity, use social media to boost our promotions. That's all for me.
Excuse me, sir. I will add that I strongly agree with idea coming from Irfan because one of the steps that can increase the sale of a company is we need to diversify our way of promoting a rental car from our company, such as we need to be creative in promoting our rental car on website or social media, such as WhatsApp, Facebook, and even Instagram. So in my addition about this solution is we also need to hire outside agent to promote our rental car to tourists to rent with our company. Therefore, we can get agent close to the KT Kuala Kedah and Kuala Perlis to attract our customer for use our service car rental. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Alright, I see. Afiq, is there something you want to add to?
Okay, for me, it's about we need to offer or provide new package of service, and maybe we should cooperate with the others service providers such as the hotels, theme park, and also island hopping package service
Yes.
with the affordable price to attract more customer rather than we stick to our main service, which is provide car rental service. So I think this is a very great combination with the social media promotion, so it can boost our sales.
Brilliant, guys. I think we must push on our promotion a little bit using our social media platform and add some more interesting package of services as the alternatives to generate more sale and rectify this problem. Will you guys agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we agree.
Excellent. Move on the last issue of this meeting, which is become viral apparently. It is from our dear customer. As a customer service director, will you please fill us with a bit of explanations about what is exactly happened, Irfan?
Okay, I would like to inform all of you the main issues in our operational department is customer service. Recently, we have received many complaints of poor customer service. Many customers complain the cars that we provide were not in the best performance and we are ignoring their feedback. For example, last week, two of our car broke middle of the road while customers are using it. For me, this is a serious issues and we have to focus more on these issues since customers is our priorities. So for me.
That was horrible. Perhaps we could compensate them, those customers involved. Senaqib, from your standpoint of view, what is the solution that we have?
Right. So, in my suggestion, in my opinion, maintenance, we could have a maintenance checkup on daily basis. So, this maintenance team will have to do a full checkup of every car that are going to be run by customer to make sure that the car is in optimal condition to be driven. So, that's my suggestion.
Good idea. Syazwan, how about you?
Okay, for me, I agree with Senaqib that the best solution that we can come out to solve this problem by make sure that every car do a full checkup every month and it must be maintain the service regularly. This way is to ensure that all car that run by customer is in good condition and safe to use. Okay, that's all for me.
Indeed, we must put our customer safety as our priority. Zulhilman, what is your stand regarding this issue?
Okay, about this issue, in my opinion, we should provide the best service to our customer. Therefore, I would like to suggest about service support during emergency. This is because while driving a car, we make every effort to minimize risk from various things. Especially, bad luck can cause an emergency situation between a car or damaged tire. So, as a team in a rental car, we have to provide 24 hours emergency support from a variety of channels, including providing a WhatsApp or company phone number. And we should always be prepared if a customer have a problem so we can help them. So that's all in my opinion about this solution, this issue. Thank you.
Very good. Thanks, guys. Okay, for this problem, we should inspect our cars regularly and carefully to ensure they are in good condition to use. And if there is anything happen to our dear customer, we provide them with service of support on the spot for them for help them out. Would you guys agree with those ideas?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
good
sir,
idea.
we agree.
Excellent. Okay, eventually we have come to a conclusion for this meeting about issues that our company is facing right now. I want to recall what we have discussed and correct me if I'm wrong. First, we have to equip our company with CCTVs and biometric scanner system correspond to our first issue. This method perhaps can detect who the dishonest person of our workforce. Second is we have our sale during regular work days. We have to boost our sales during regular work days using social platform and add more interesting package in our promotion. Last but not least, we have to put a very tight schedule of regular maintenance for our cars and provide them with on-the-spot help if they get in trouble in their way to their destination. Managers, first of all, you guys must make sure the car is in very good condition, right? I guess we can call it a day. Thanks for being here and being very productive, folks. This is for the sake of our company too. I'm very much glad to see you guys in other future meeting. Have a nice day and Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam